Okay, let's continue from the next topic. So I was talking about Parkinson, okay, and cell theory. It was done. Now unicellular and multicellular organisms. Okay, there are organisms which are made up of only a single cell, and there are organisms which are made up of multiple cells. Okay, so like human being, multicellular organism, any living animals, plants, these are multicellular. Unicellular like amoeba, bacteria, fungi also found unicellular. Also fungi found in multicellular format also. Okay, so they are very microscopic, which are single celled or unicellular. Now, if we look into the shape of the cell is not fixed. It varies from cell to cell. The shape and the size, okay, it varies. But yes, some cells are very large in size, long in size. Some are very small in size. So it varies also. Like neurons. Neurons in our body are the longest cell in our body. If you ask the largest cell in the living organism, it is the ostrich egg, which is the largest one. Okay, so like this, so size also that varies from cell to cell. Okay, oval shape, cylindrical shape. Okay, any irregular shape. There is no fixed shape at all. Now, basic structure of the cell. Now cell is in if we take example any animal cell, first of all, the membrane, if we look into, it is the cell membrane, which is the outermost layer. Cell membrane, which is also known as plasma membrane. Okay, whereas in plant the outermost layer is cell wall, and then we see cell membrane. So outermost is cell wall, the second outermost is cell membrane. That is in case of plant cell, is the most important one. Apart from this, if you look into the cytoplasm of the cell, there are some cell organelles which are present in the plant cell which are not present in the animal cell, and vice versa. For example, um, if you look at the vacuoles, mostly the vacuoles are found in the plant cell. Okay, and they are of large size, whereas animal cells, they the vacuoles, they are not found, but if it is there, sometime it is of very small size. Okay, mostly it is not there. Then plastids are mainly found in the plant cell. In the animal cell we don't see any plastid. Okay, these are chloroplast, leucoplast. Okay, these are different chromoplast. These are different types of plastids. They have their own function to do that we will discuss. Okay, and centriole is a cell organelle which is present in the animal cell, not in the plant cell. Okay, so these are some of the differences between plant and animal cells. Okay, now there are diagrams that you have to practice well. Different if you look into the different cell organelles now, take example of mitochondria. Mitochondria, what it does, it gives us power. So it's a powerhouse. Okay, with the help of oxygen, uh, energy is produced in the mitochondria by breaking down the foods, mainly carbohydrate, and energy is released, which is utilized by all the cells of our body to perform various function. Okay, if you look into the Golgi bodies, okay, Golgi bodies, they help in formation of different hormones, different enzymes. Okay, and those were transported to different parts of the cell, different cell to cell also. These enzymes, hormones are transported. Okay, there is organ called lysosome. Lysosome is also formed by the Golgi apparatus. Okay, so this also plays very important role. Packaging, modifying substances, okay, made by endoplasmic reticulum is also a function of Golgi complex. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum is a is a cell organelle which perform very important role to do.